to the UK Virtual Schools coaching tutorial on effective studying. This month, guys, we're going to be focusing on note taking. Now, note taking is a really important skill that can help you with all your lessons. It's a powerful tool that can help you to stay focused in lessons and understand your learning better. Now, did you know that there are quite a few different note-taking styles? And in today's lesson, guys, we're going to be exploring 5 different methods that you might want to give a try. So why bother taking notes in the first place? Now, note-taking has been proven to help you to boost your memory, reinforcing that learning from class and improving the recall for later on. It can also serve as a study aid to be used before exams, where you can quickly review any of the learning that you've had previously. It also encourages active listening. So if you're in class and you're taking notes, that note-taking process is making you more engaged with your learning. Right, guys, let's take a look at a few different note-taking methods and see which ones you've given a try before. Now, first up, guys, we have the Cornell note-taking method. Now, this was actually invented by a university professor at Cornell University in the 1950s. And this is what it looks like. Now, you can decorate your pages as much as you want, or you can keep it quite as simple. Now, the main idea with the Cornell note-taking is that it is divided into 3 main sections. So you make a larger section to the right. Now, this larger section is where those main points will be going. And usually you're going to use a bullet points and separate those key ideas with a line. Then on this small narrow column, this is where those key points and ideas are going to go. So you're going to maybe put dates, important people, things that you need to quickly refer back to later on. And then right at the bottom, we have the summary. Now, the summary is where you're going to quickly summarize those key points, which you can refer back to later. Now, this method helps you to organize your notes and makes it easy to review key concepts and summaries later. So let's see what it might look like. So here at the top, the title is Frankenstein. And then down in this key notes section, we've got key people. So key themes, Gothic and horror, Mary Shelley, the date it was written in 1880, and a character list. And then on the bigger section, this is the wider bit. We've got themes, devices, and quotes. And at the bottom, it summarizes it as a pioneering Gothic novel, themes of scientific ambition, ethical responsibility. Next up, we have the boxing method. And as the name suggests, this is where boxes are used to separate key ideas. So here you can see each box represents a different topic or a concept. All you have to do is group your ideas in one box, and all of those related notes are all together. Now, this you can use pictures as well to help you. And it's really great for visual learners who like to see information grouped together and clearly separated. Now for mind mapping. Now this one might be more familiar to some of you. Now mind mapping is when you start off with a key idea in the middle, a central idea, which then branches outwards to representing lots of different subtopics. Now, the main idea for mind mapping is to use those key words, and you can even include images as well. Now, I would recommend using different colors for those different branches, which is a great way to see those subtopics even clearer. Now, once again, this is another method which is really great for visual learners, and it helps you to see connections between lots of different concepts. Now, did you know that even Leonardo da Vinci is said to have used this method? Next up, guys, we've got the outline method. Now, the outline method is where notes are clearly organized in a hierarchy with bullet points and lines to separate between them. Now, the main topics will be at the top with subtopics detailed below. Now, this type of method has a really clear structure. You're able to put down lots of information in one go. And for the lessons such as history or biology, this might be something that you find useful. Now, for some people, they might need a bit of color just to help things stand out clearer. So if this is something that you want to use, why not use a highlighter or different colored pens to pick out key points and facts just to help you to retain that information even better. And then finally, guys, we have sketch notes. Now, sketch notes is a type of note taking that has grown in popularity with students in recent years, with more and more students trying it out. So why don't you give it a go for one of your lessons? Now, there are no rules for sketch notes. You can use icons, arrows, doodles, and these can all be used to illustrate concepts and relationships. Pictures, short captions all help to capture key words and phrases. Now, here's how it might be used. Okay, so we've got the ancient Greek, pictures, short sentences, just to help you remember that information. And it doesn't even have to be on paper. You might want to do this on the computer as well, which I know lots of our students are really enjoying creating their notes on the computer as well. And just the whole process of note taking really does help you to engage with your learning better. So there you have it, guys. 5 different note-taking methods: Cornell, boxing, mind mapping, outline, and sketch notes. Why not try them out and see which one works best for you? But remember, there's no right or wrong way to make notes. Try out some of these different methods and see which ones work best, which ones did you like, and you might find some work better for different topics. So happy studying, guys. Bye.